Hey guys, Robert Bell. I'm here with another fire drill. Let's just jump right into it. This week we have a new tech series dealing with Class K fire extinguishers. You know, this is the preferred type of fire extinguisher for restaurant cooking areas. And it's important to learn about their placement, testing, and maintenance. Read more about it by clicking on the tech series below. And lastly, did you know that Brooks carries a wide range of backflow parts and accessories? And we also have the technical expertise that you need to answer those tough questions. Hey, this week we're spotlighting a product by Watts. They're one of the best names in the business. So take a look at that product below. We really appreciate all that you do. And I want to close out by saying congrats to the Los Angeles Dodgers, 2020 World Series champions. Been a long time coming for the Dodger fans out there. Hey, keep pounding, hang in there tough, and together we will win. I'll see you on the flip side.